Hey friends! Thank you so much for coming back for another monthly grocery haul video. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Selle, I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel for tons of cleaning motivations, lots of home organizations, cooking, and grocery hauls. I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. I upload new video every single week. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning in. Like I always say, you are the best and I really appreciate you. We are a family of 3 and we do our grocery shopping monthly, preferably at the beginning of the month. Since we are budgeting, we get pretty much everything from either Sam's Club or Walmart. We buy in bulk unless we don't eat or use a lot of it, then we get it from Walmart. Let me start showing you what we got here. First thing over here, we have this white plain sliced bread, and then on this side, we have this bacon mac and cheese. This is a favorite in the house. My husband and my son loves this. We got this from Sam's Club. And then on this side, I grabbed my favorite candy of all time. These soft caramels with chocolate inside. It's awesome. And then we grab this ice cream for the dogs. We want to try it. They're gonna eat it. And they actually really did enjoy this. So that's cool. And then here, I grabbed this Laughing Cow's cheese. I use this with my toast, and normally I don't eat cheese, but this one I don't get stomach ache, so I eat those. And then here we have some frozen dinners. It's the Michelinas. My son loves this. I normally give this to him when I really don't have time to cook any dinner, like super tired and super busy at work or even just at home. This is what I give him. He normally asks for the Wilson cheese. It's like the mac and cheese, just different shape. And I also grab him a couple different flavor like the baked ziti and the Alfredo, also the poppin' chicken. And so far, he likes all of them. And then here, I grabbed this minced garlic from Sam's Club. And this is only $5, guys. I used to make my own minced garlic. I would peel it and then chop it. And it takes a little bit of time. So this one is super easy and it's only $5. So I pick it up. Then I grab a couple of the seasoning, beef stew, mushroom gravy, and this taco seasoning. If you have been following this channel for a while now, you know we love taco salads in this house. We always make tacos here. And I've never tried the seasoning. I always make my own, so I want to try it. And then I grab this big container of chili powder because I use a lot of that. And then better cheddars here. It's crackers for my husband. He loves those. And then surprise, surprise, we got Pringles. We always get Pringles. I got the cheddar flavor here, Memphis barbecue. Sour cream is my favorite, and my husband also picked up the new flavor. It's the onion. I don't think it's really new, but we've never tried before, so we picked this up too. And then here at the front, we have instant mashed potato. It's not the best thing in the world. Obviously, I would prepare fresh, but sometimes I don't have time to cook, so I would just get instant because it's easy. It's like 3 minutes and you have instant mashed potato. It works. It is okay, so it's not too bad. So I grabbed those, and also we grabbed these taco shells. Speaking of tacos, there it is. And then here we pick up more of the 70 calories brownies because my husband has been eating them. It's actually pretty good, so we grab more of those. We also pick up these chewy dips. It's like a very soft granola. It's a little sweet, and at first I didn't like it, but then I have grown to like it. So there's that. Then we have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Cheetos. I've been eating a lot of this. I don't know why, but I have been obsessed for weeks now, and I keep running out, so we grab a couple of them. And then over here, we have this chicken broth. I pick it up because sometimes I like to eat soup, but it doesn't have enough flavor, so I add more of that. And then I grab this big thing of ground beef because obviously it's for tacos. And then we love soup in this house always. We always run out. That's why every time we go grocery shopping, we always pick up soups. And our favorite is this creamy chicken noodle. It's mostly that because we eat all of them, so we grab more. And then the other one is the minestrone. Over here, my husband picked this up. It's hormel chili. I don't eat this, but he does, so there's that. And then I pick up this mayonnaise because I plan to make egg salad and I need some more mayonnaise. And then here my husband pick up these cherries. He said he's gonna eat it for dessert, so there's that. And then here by the front, we grab a couple ice creams. It's this Haagen-Dazs Dulce de Leche. It's my all-time favorite ice cream flavor. And for produce, we pick up this iceberg lettuce. And then I also pick up some of these tomatoes. They run out of the Roma tomatoes. They normally have those and that's what I normally buy. But they ran out of those. So this is all I could find. So I just pick it up anyway and it looks great. I just prefer the Roma tomatoes, honestly. And then I grab some of these jalapenos. I like this for my taco salads, also for hamburger because we cook our own hamburger. We buy them from Sam's Club. And then right here, we got some Greek yogurt. This is the only yogurt I eat. I don't eat the regular one because I get stomach ache. And then we have a couple 18 count of these eggs right here because we love eggs in this house. Then I pick up this sweet potato again. I really like these sweet potato fries. I eat them with like chicken tenders. My husband picked up this fully cooked bacon. We've never tried this before. We are curious how it tastes like, so we pick it up and it tastes a little weird, honestly. So I would still prefer the raw and I'll just cook them myself. Here we grab a couple steaks. We were in the mood for steaks, so once all of this is done, we're gonna cook dinner and this is gonna be our dinner. Up here, we pick up some penne pasta. We always use penne in this house. It's something that's super easy dinner. And all you need to do is put some marinara sauce on them and some already pre-made beef, meatballs, and you're good to go. And then on the left side, we have some spaghettis. We also pick up this biscuit, sausage, and eggs, which is honestly wrong. We wanted to pick up the croissant, but we didn't even realize we got the wrong one until we got home. And then we got this eggnog milk. My husband drink this. I don't, so he grabbed that one. And then here we have this chicken fried rice. This is really good, guys. Like I said, we are super busy family, so we always try to grab something that is super easy to make. So we got those fried rice. And then I grabbed this lactate milk. This is the only milk I drink that doesn't give me stomach ache. Then I grab sugar and ground coffee. Then here is cod filet. This is really good, guys. I totally recommend it. We grabbed this from Sam's Club and it's delicious fish. All the way back here where I couldn't reach, so I'm just gonna walk here. We have some chicken tenders. I totally recommend this, guys. If you're looking for some really good chicken tenders, this is the best. I like it. My husband is obsessed with this, and at first I was like, that's some big chicken, and then I tried the breading. Oh my god, it's so good. We're hooked. And then we pick up these Lucky Charms. My son's still eating a lot of cereal, so he ran out and we grab a couple more of those. And then now I'm gonna walk all the way back here at the front because I couldn't reach it again and I couldn't see what's here. But I know these are pot pies. My husband is in the mood for pot pies, so we pick up a few of them. And good thing I have a chest freezer because all of these are not gonna fit in my regular freezer. Here we have this teriyaki beef udon stir fry kit. I recommend this, but you have to cook it on the stove instead of putting it in the microwave because it can get very soggy if you put it in the microwave. Also, don't freeze it, guys. That's the mistake that I made. I freeze it and then I look at the direction. It says pour the sauce and I'm like, how am I gonna pour this? It's frozen. So I have to defrost it before I cook it. So if you pick that one up, make sure you don't freeze it, just put it in the fridge and keep it cold. But yeah, don't freeze it. And then right here, we grab this Downy. This smells so good. I go back and forth to this pink one and then the blue ones. Let me know in the comment down below what's your Downy, what do you use. These are non-food items, but I want to show this to you guys as well. Also pick up this Ziploc, and then on the back over there, I grabbed this Windex with vinegar. It says it's streak-free. For the windows, my windows, every time I clean it, it has streaks and it frustrates me. So we'll see if that's any good at all. And then we pick up some dog toys and some treats for the dogs. They like to chew, and if they don't have anything to chew, they're gonna start chewing a remote and everything else that they find in the house. So we always make sure we grab something for them to chew, because German Shepherds and Husky, they get bored really fast. My husband's starting to put everything away now because it's pretty late. We still have to make dinner. I got up late from work today, and then we went straight to go grocery shopping. So I hope you like and enjoy this video. I hope you found something from here that you want to try and pick up for your next grocery shopping trip. If you did, please give me a thumbs up so I know you're enjoying this kind of content, and I will continue to do more video like this. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Happy grocery shopping! Bye!